Well, get part of the sunrise. 4:30. I told Becky, I said, "So what are you getting up already for?" I said, "Well, half the time I'm up now anyway." And I said, "Besides that, likely should be here pretty soon." "Oh no, I don't have to get up until 5. They won't be here till after that." 10 minutes to 5. Guess who showed up? So, and yeah, when I feed in the morning, when I'm feeding over there, there's a ladder in beside the grain inside. I set it on there. Well, yesterday we got to dealing with that calf. So this morning it's like, where's my coffee cup? And I see Mom set her sprinklers off again. I'm not quite sure. It used to be, it got a little dampness over there and a little over here. And now we're out this far into the yard. And that one's out this far. But there's one in the corner over there between the bike and the cook shack. Yeah, the Tahoe gets washed, the bike gets washed. Part of the time, I'm glad it didn't get a little more pressure to it this morning, because usually it gets the side of the trailer. But yeah, with the screen door being the only thing there all night, it could have been bad inside. But it looks like most of it's covered. Maybe a dry spot over there. It almost looks a little late to have it running. Anyway, I still got to get my coffee. And yes, those birds every morning. You can see where it, yeah, barbecue gets it. Oh, electrical and where the telephone and everything is over there that goes to the trailer gets it. Even the power meter. Oh well. Well, I ended up in the house a little bit ago. I knew there was some of these. Mom's been going through some stuff. And she's found a couple things for Brooke and Matt to take for the new house, canister sets, that kind of stuff. Stuff that's been kicking around. And she had a whole bunch of those. She usually uses those a lot in the house. Cow notes and stuff. And she'd asked Becky if we could use them out here in the shop, and sure, so there's 3 of those. I don't know where to put them, so for now they're over there. I could do a quick story. They're actually over here on a genuine John Deere equipment toolbox. I don't remember which tractor we bought that for. We didn't end up putting it on there. And Dad always liked to keep cookies and snacks and stuff out here. So that's actually the cookie jar. I have no idea what's in it now. There's other things. But I walk back here, and that's my creeper. I've had it 30 years, I suppose. It's one they used to advertise showing a semi-truck front end driving over it. It survives. It really does. It's been through hell. Well, that's because, yeah, that's how we keep the wheel on now. Replaced the wheels once, but they stand up. Usually both creepers stand up in there. For some reason, it was leaning here, and it was there, and it was. This was hanging on it like that. All I had to do was touch it and it fell off. How, I don't know. But hey, it was a good opportunity to clean all the oil and grease up that was down around there. I'm not sure what to do with this, because, it's got a piece of 3/8 plywood, what it seems to be, for a base, and it fits exactly into that, and those screw holes would be in the wrong place. But anyway, this creeper I like. I don't know where Ty's is. Ty was trying to do me a big favor, and I really don't know where it is. Crazy. I mean, it's got to be here somewhere, right? If you see it, let me know, because I kind of want to know. Yeah, there's a mess. Because we keep them together for a reason. Yeah, I know, it's still a mess in here, too. But hey, shop rags all came back, and they're not full of mouse poop. They're going to end up in a plastic box instead of in the cardboard box they were in. Alright, this is going to drive me. I know where it is. Right here. This is their new ones. You know, it looks just like the ones you get at Hobo Freight or Napa or anywhere else. I'll give them this much. If you know anything about them, there's no scrape marks from scraping the floor. The Hobo Freight ones that are shaped like this, yeah, they're all over the floor. We actually have one. Dad bought it, and I got pissed off, and it's that red thing right there. That is so heavy, you only get it out when you need it. I put a metal frame around it to get it up off the ground. That's our high rider, and it's adjustable so you can bring it up. But I didn't do any adjustment in the framework, so bring it up and you slip a 2x4 or a 4x4 or something underneath it. And yeah, I haven't even been in here to put books away. I don't know if I want to put them away yet. But I mean, this isn't a bad creeper. It's been a pretty good creeper. I think it's been in here for a couple of years now, and I mean, she uses the piss out of it. Oh, the difference this does have, it's flat along there instead of like those cheap ones that are just a spot for your arm to hang out. That's just not for me after so many years of the other one. So anyway, I'm going to keep fixing the other one. I don't know why they had to change design. You know, Liesel or Leslie, however you pronounce that. Yeah, you idiots see it. Why don't you bring back the original Jeepers Creeper? Because it's, in my opinion, way better than the others. My opinion. Don't shoot me for it. Like I say, that sucker's been around at least 30 years. I remember if I had, about the time Becky and I started going out, I guess, is when I bought that. So, 30 plus years. Anyway, that's enough gabbing. Hell, you got a full video and the day hasn't started yet. I've been listening to cat tracks thumping the dust up on the hill because I can hear it down here when they're in the right spot. And I only seen one log truck go by empty. I haven't seen any loadeds come by yet. So they're taking advantage of the cool morning and the overcast day. Because, yes, there we go. I don't know how cooler we're supposed to be today, but God, it's nice that it isn't already, well, it's 6 o'clock now. By this time yesterday morning, we were 65 degrees. And somebody said something about, I think it was Louis, South Texas. Hey, that's who it was. You don't cool down there, but we get the temperature swings. You know, we were 103. Then the next morning we were 53. Then we hit 97. This morning we were 55. That temperature swing doesn't help the sinuses, by the way. Of all the times not to have a gun with me, there's a doe and her fawn over there. If you can see them, directly this way from them is a dark spot in the grass. That's a coyote laying there. that just came out of the corner of the field I'm in. Fawn just figured it out. And no, I don't have a gun with me. I just made sure things were opened up. We're going to go ahead and run a pasture harrow over this and get the shit smeared around and get the irrigation going on this today. Well, I got back up here. Coyote's not here, and the doe and the fawn just walked out of the trees. She was looking back down over the bank, so I don't know if that little bastard's down there or what. Either way, her and her baby are safe at the moment. She needs to just take her baby back the way they went, because baby can't get... Oh, baby Ted got under it. Okay, baby? No, baby can't get through there, Mom. That was a dumb move. That woven wire is too low. Nothing I can do for it. I got a feeling she came off the north line, which that fence, there's probably lots of spots that baby can get through there. Little kid's got some bounce to him though. At least Mom's sticking with him, but she needs to come back on this side of the fence and take him a different direction. Because that just ain't gonna work. Got a few scragglers here. Yeah. I gotta wait for that one too. But they're kind of happy at the moment. Got some green grass that's taller than an inch. Traveler's up there waiting for me to get it going. So get it going and try to get the little one running too. But need to wait for him. If I don't wait for him, he'll turn around and go back up to the barn and won't know where everybody went. I just sit here and wait. And wait. And wait. And he'll be with everybody and know where to go. And of course the heifer's got to come over to the fence and see if they can flirt. Well, y'all remember this field? A lot of this was all yellow because it was tansy though. And a few years ago it was an orchard that was taken off. Had all the big potholes. This is where we broke the rake last year, right when we finished, and where we had trouble with the baler. And you know. Anyway, little thing about tansy, the first year it's supposed to just be a little rosette. Yeah, I pulled two of them that were standing out here blooming already. And this was worse last year. Hey, there's a stick. And I gotta weasel my way around this. I'm back. And I totally forgot what it was down below in there. But you see, last year he'd been keeping the canary grass mowed, so it wasn't all that tall. Well, this year, needless to say, because I'm sliding down the freaking hill, needless to say, hadn't been mowed this year. So it was up to that mirror, which is well over my head. And I got lost on the other side of his house and ended up going farther than I did last year, only to find out I really couldn't go anywhere that way. And down here I got lost and didn't go far enough. Spent 20 minutes or half an hour running around back in there. This ain't the greatest. I'm going to say it looks better than last year. Especially for not being platted. This is just will come back on its own. And you got this little burn pile burned out. But there's still a couple chunks there. Not too bad. Obviously he didn't get to the big one. And you already saw the one I had the let's go for up there. I don't know if it's hot or not. couple big chunks of that. So I'm hoping maybe you can do something with what's left, even if all it does is get much over there. But anyway, yeah, I had fun down there. I made about 6 passes on the back swath to get over far enough and then realized, hey, I was on the other side of the tree last year. So I got what I was going to get. And I didn't run into the stump on the other side of his house this year, so that's a good thing. And there's a few spots on it that are very good. The corner I just did, part of that didn't cut hardly at all because it's thin. And over here along the trees, first couple passes, they don't hardly look like I cut it, but I did. There's kind of windrows. Kinda. If you can see over there or not. But I'm gonna let you go before I get to this pile again. Well, I'm at the next place today, right beside where we do our little custom baling job. Most of what's in here is metal grouse anymore, and it's rough because before the metal grouse came in, this was full of gophers. But I want to show you something. Here's what I like about some people. Mowing around that edge keeps me away from that fence. I don't got to worry about catching it. And then I know there shouldn't be any wire in here that I'm going to get a hold of. And the other thing, which they did, cleaned up back there. We've been going around that pile of junk over there was sticking out from the trees. We've been going around that for quite a few years. And I pushed a bunch of it back last year with John Deere. But you know, I don't want to do too much pushing on that little road because we're going to need that loader. They cleaned up underneath those trees, and there was a little piece of pasture that we went around over there, and that's all cleaned up. But look at this, beautiful. But we don't farm back in there because we tried it once, and you cannot get hay to dry back there. Even on a dry summer, it will not dry because the sun only hits it for about a half an hour a day. So we kind of quit that. But I mean, there was shit laying clear out in here, and I cut right up in here. It's rougher than I thought, but part of that, I'm sure, is from whatever equipment they had in here. And part of it is just because it's going to be rough. Ornaments hanging. Oh, there it went. And over here, the third owner I go with the neighbors rented that for pasture. And I have no idea how much is there. I mean, there's got to be 3 or 4 acres total. But it goes back into the trees, and I know there's a water line that sticks up right there. So I don't know if this is something that they're going to decide that we can scratch up and do something with or not. I can dig up and cap that water line somewhere. And this whole other edge over here is all cleaned up all the way back to the road. So I don't have to beat myself up in the trees. I mean, I still run right against them, but you know, I'm not missing anything. And this is about the cleanest piece we got. There's one little patch of Canadian thistle up here. So this is going to go in little bales. And I hope it's going to be enough. And over by the walnut tree, they had a little burnt pile, but it burned up pretty clean. There's, you know, half a dozen sticks, no bigger than my finger in it. So I just went right over it. But right here is all the thistle that's here. So I ain't gonna worry about that little bit in little bales. I'll probably grab a handful of it. And there's a little tansy that goes up here. Only 2 were in the field, the others were on the edge. And on the other side of the fence, I reached what I could and pulled the blooms off. And up here we get into the annuals. Quite a bit of them here. Oh, damn it, there's another tansy. I didn't see that one earlier. I'll have to stop and pull that one my next round. That's okay. The 135 Nasty we have that we call Odie, this was his mom's place. He used to come over and keep things cleaned up before he passed away. And when she passed, from what I understand, it's a granddaughter that's living here. But hey, you know, they got out and cleaned stuff up. That's awesome. And yes, since there's not a lot of lemongrass right here, I'm going to say that most of the gophers migrated to right here. It's what it is. Well, she's finding it again. Grass wrapped around almost into the one bearing for the bottom roller, the one at this end, so she's going to dig that out. Apparently it sprinkled here when I was gone. Of course, you know, you had to be out in it to feel it, I'm sure. And we just got one more place to cut. I went over there and made sure, since I know people have been driving into, at least in the freaking access, I went over and made sure the cable wasn't in my way. And of course, a couple tracks out in the field. I'll see what those really are when I get there tomorrow. So, yay. And yeah, today originally was only going to be 73, and then they changed their mind and said it's going to be 79. It was 81 2 hours ago. Actually, just shy of 82 2 hours ago. So, it's every bit of 85 or 86 and 48% humidity. Gotta love it. At least it ain't higher humidity, I guess. So anyway, I'm going to go in and see Blakely. By the magic of video, I heard her fussing before I came in.
Do you want to say hi?
Say hi, Blakely.
Say hi, Blakely.
She says, I'm just going to chill now.
I just got a full belly. I had my bottle.
But she's not fussing. So, that last, excuse me, that last little grunt, that was to say, I hope you all had a great Monday. And I hope you all have a great Tuesday. And thank you for watching.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye.
And apparently we're going to see our baler part tomorrow because the runner forgot to pick it up today. Yay. Thanks for watching, everybody.